Hello and welcome to today's short strategy video. My name is Rihanna Redman. I'm an infant and early childhood mental health consultant at Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green. Today's strategy is how to use redirection with infants and toddlers. So how can you redirect a child? What you want to do is gently guide the infant or toddler to a safe behavior or activity. So sometimes infants or toddlers, they need redirection for their own safety because they're maybe moving towards something in the environment or the room that is unsafe for them. So an example that comes to mind is an infant or a toddler either crawling or walking towards a hot oven or a hot stove. And, we want to prevent them from putting their hand up against the hot oven or the stove. So we can redirect them and either move them into a new or safer environment, or we can redirect them maybe with a toy or something different, giving them a different activity or redirecting them to a different behavior that can keep them safe. So these couple pictures here, this little guy looks like he's opening the dresser drawers, and I'm not sure if maybe he wants to climb on these dresser drawers, but if the dresser isn't attached to the wall, this could be something unsafe if it would fall down on him. So something that we could do to redirect, maybe if he wants to play with the clothes, we could take the clothes out of the dresser and kind of say, "Ooh, look at this shirt," or "Do you see these pants?" And then we can kind of redirect him to look at something else or to have a different activity. Something else that we could do is we could move him to a different room. So we can help him walk over to the living room or something to stay out of the bedroom if that is unsafe. Another example would be to offer a different toy. So maybe if something that they're playing with is inappropriate or the toy is something that is unsafe, maybe the pieces are too small and we don't want them to swallow the pieces, we could offer a different toy and kind of redirect to something more safe. Something that we can do is acknowledge feelings. So we can just let them know, oh, you wanted to have something to chew on. So maybe if they are chewing on something that is inappropriate, or again, maybe if they're, chewing on pieces to a toy that are too small and we don't want them to swallow that, we could just say, oh, you wanted to put something in your mouth. So here is a rattle that is safe for you, or here is a teething toy that you can use to chew on instead. So that way we're giving them a different opportunity. We're redirecting them to something that's more safe. This is my resource page. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at riannar@crcwoodcounty.org. The strategy comes from Devereaux Center for Resilient Children. And lastly, please like us on Facebook at CRC Infant and Early Childhood Connection. Thanks.